Okay, just make sure you submit all the files I told you to and do all the photocopies. Yeah, I just go home now, but like I said, by tomorrow morning, I want every information on my, I want every report on my desk tomorrow, please. Oh, you know what, Dave? Please let me call you back. Hmm? My water is running and I need to get it fixed, alright? I'll call you back. Yeah, hello, good evening. Please, am I speaking with the plumber, please? Yes, I need one. Yeah, my kitchen tap is not, I don't know what happened. Tomorrow. It's actually something you can check today, or maybe you send one of your boys from and let me check it. Oh, that tomorrow is long, oh, but no problem, no problem. Tomorrow is fine then, I'll wait till tomorrow. Alright, thank you very much. Tomorrow, please, very important, eh? Alright, thank you. Bye.